Hey Xbox fans, Microsoft just dropped a bombshell. The rumored Xbox Handheld console is cancelled, but don't cry yet. Asus's new ROG Xbox ally stealing the show. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's unpack this wild twist. It's a tough day for Xbox diehards. The long-hyped Xbox Handheld, expected to rival the Nintendo Switch 2, has officially been scrapped, according to sources. But Microsoft's not out of the game. They're doubling down on Xbox software for third-party handhelds like the Asus ROG Xbox Ally. What's going on? Keep watching to find out. Microsoft's handheld was supposed to be a game changer, but it's off the table. Instead of building their own device, they're focusing on software to power other companies' handhelds. The reports emerge Microsoft has essentially cancelled its proprietary console plans. It's a bummer, but there's a silver lining with Asus stepping up. Are you disappointed? Or is this a smart move? Enter the Asus ROG Xbox Ally and ROG Xbox Ally X, recently launched with Microsoft's new Xbox software. These handhelds run Windows, but ditch the clunky Windows UI for a slick Xbox-themed interface that feels like a console, similar to SteamOS. Phil Spencer, Microsoft Gaming CEO, called this the tightest collaboration between Xbox and Windows teams in 30 years. It's a fresh take on portable gaming. Microsoft's pivot means no Xbox handheld, but their software strategy opens the door for third-party OEMs to create Xbox-branded handhelds. The Asus ROG Xbox Ally is proof, offering a console-like experience on the go. This could shake up the handheld market, even if it's not a direct Switch 2 competitor. Is this the future of Xbox gaming? With the ROG Xbox Ally and Ally X out now, you can jump into Xbox gaming on a handheld today. Microsoft's software focus mean more tied devices from other brands soon. Are you grabbing an Asus handheld or holding out hope for a future Xbox device? Let's hear your thoughts. That's the scoop on Microsoft's handheld cancellation and the Asus ROG Xbox Ally launch. Are you bummed about the Xbox handheld or hyped for Asus's new gear? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.